I ordered 200 hand-forged knives to my dorm room and built a Wix website to sell them. I'm Noah Rosen, founder and owner of Forged to Table Knives. Starting as a dishwasher and working my way up through the culinary industry, I knew a lot of people that would love an affordable handcrafted knife, so I saw the opportunity and built my own online empire. When someone first gets to forgetotable.com, we want them to have a curated shopping experience. With Wix, the detail and precision we put into crafting every knife went into the website in the same way. Our website is robust, it's rich, it's graphically stimulating, and gives customers the confidence they need to order a knife and upgrade their kitchen. At Forged to Table, we're all chefs, so our blog is our creative outlet. With Wix, we're able to provide content and really good recipes that are really delicious while bringing customers into the products. Having a great platform means that I can go to bed at night. It's not just me behind the computer, it's the system that I've built and the website that's in place that we can serve 1,000 customers on the site every day, $1 million in revenue, and we're becoming a household name for chefs and cooks from all over the world. I don't just make knives, I forge my own path.